Okay, can you hear me now? I think you guys can hear me now. Alright, alright. For some reason, I kept sending the stream over to YouTube and then from YouTube over, and it was just not sending it. So I guess no intro today. Let's go right into Gappers. Kind of running a little bit behind. I don't know why it was doing that, but oh well. I'm here now. You guys can hear me. I can see you. It's Friday. And guess what, guys? Yesterday I ended up the day red, walking away in the morning, and I still had to work, right? So I live really close. So a lot of the times I come home for lunch, and usually I would come home for lunch, and that's the time that I take to make my TikToks or like edit a video or something like that, right? But yesterday I actually came back during lunch and saw Neuro squeezing up. I'm sure you guys saw that. And I took one trade and I finished green. So I'm actually still on my 6-7 day green streak. So nice play there. All right, I could show it to you guys later too. So let me look at the gappers. Oh my god, let me look at the gapper. Let me look at the gapper from 206. Good morning, everybody. All right, let's see who was in here. Darth Trader was waiting on me. Darth Trader, appreciate that. For some reason, the stream was not sending over from YouTube. Van Cat says good morning to everybody. Morte's in here. Morte says Friday a lot of pumps and dumps. IMMX looks pretty decent for the only gapper I got. Samurai Stefan's back in here. Morte is looking at IMMX. Good news. Looks like it is on bull flag on 5 minutes. Let me look at the 180 chart first. See how we look over here. Okay. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you do have uptrend support and then a horizontal line going through 2-6. Looks like through 2-6 cannot break. 259, 2-6, somewhere around there. Let's look at yesterday's gappers to see if any of them, especially Neuro, since I'm kind of interested to see what Neuro did after hours. So, okay, so it actually hit a new high and then pulled back. But might still get a trade on Neuro today, so keep that on watch. Still higher than most of the day yesterday. So actually, yesterday's trade on Neuro, let's see if it shows it. So I've lunged from 2 to 3. So this was that morning trade over here on the left, where first one I took a trade, canceled it, and then somehow 15-30 seconds later I got filled. My last day of work, heck yes, man. Yes. So I took that trade there. Second trade was up here. That's the one I was loading with 5,000. Took some out. Was ready for a breakthrough highs. Did not get it. Second trade I took, or last one, was in my lunch break actually. So I was actually red on this ticker, I think, or red on the day yesterday for sure. Pulled back to this level here. I jumped in with 2,500 shares at 509, so literally almost the bottom. I sniped that entry. 509. Sold some at 517, only 500 shares, which locked me whatever profit that was. And I actually moved my stop loss a little bit above break even. At that point, at the high of this candle here, I was up like $300 on the name now, which I wasn't up like nearly as much. I think I was red, but I think I was still up a little bit. Don't remember. Anyways, I was up 300 or something on here, and I said I'm not gonna stop this. This might keep running off, so I just put a stop loss there. I ended up getting triggered on that same candle or the candle after that, but I think I still made 150 on this ticker yesterday, so it put me green on the day actually. Wasn't a very green day yesterday, but somehow I came back from being a red to green, and the streak continues. So today Neuro looks okay. SIGA is still holding. Let's put some alerts so we don't miss these trades. DPSI pulled back a lot more than I wanted to, so did PIK. AGRI, let's see where AGRI is sitting at. Oh, let me get rid of these trades, because then if I take a trade, it's going to be in my way. AGRI, it looks like I already got an alert up there. IMMX is today's gapper. That one looks good. Lucid, I'm not going to trade that one. Wolf, not either. Genus, not either. AUST. Let me just put an alert way up here. I probably won't buy anything up there, so I'm just going to take it off. UPST, price is stock. SAG was halted up, halted down. Nope. VEDU, no. Grab is still interesting. Let's mark the pre-high of today. That's not exactly right, but whatever. 368. Put an alert above VWAP. And get rid of all these nasty lines just cluttering my chart. Grab is the one that I missed yesterday. Blair was calling grab out all day, man. And I said, nah, low volume, low volume, low volume. And then when I finally decided to jump up here, took a loss, break the move that happened, and it ended up moving later on. What's up, Joey? Good morning. Good morning, Millie. Good morning, Blair. Jess Brown's is back in here. Morte's calling that 2-6 on. This is good. This is good. On IMMX, which is one of our gappers. Somebody else called I saw something VVPR. Let's look at VVPR. VVPR. $1.91 is the high. Let me put VVPR. VVPR had a good move, and then it looks like it's giving it mostly back. VVPR 180 chart. Wow, way down here again. All of them are like this right now. J Trades is in here. Darth Trader is in here. What's good? What's good? IMAX maybe? I mean not IMAX. IMMX is the only one I'm seeing. Anybody has seen something else? I see IMMX, BVPR maybe, but I mean it's not like it looks pretty. It's just it might look pretty. Let's look at some large caps, I guess. GTLB. These are mostly just gap ups, and they just hold there. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what that is. I mean, maybe, but not really. Savvy is in here. What are we getting into? Maybe IMMX. IMMX looks like the only play. Hopefully this pulls back a little bit before we open. I don't want it to hit a new high before market opens, because then we might not even get a chance to get another trade. Might just flush rest of the day, stuff, yada yada yada, whatever. Might do something like that. So I kind of hope it pulls back a little bit, and then I don't know where we do a red to green move. I'd rather do that than it spike up right now. INDP from yesterday also was very strong resistance below VWAP, so couldn't even get above it. I think I already might have just deleted it. Nope, never mind. Here it is. INDP right here. Strong resistance all in the 3 and 3-1. So got an alert up here. If we start moving, then I'll notice it. What's another one? IQ is still somehow making highs. IQ. Somebody was trading IQ yesterday. I wonder if you let a small runner keep going. VERU, we cannot get over that $15. This is the one that I've been calling 1513. You were below it. You got stuck several times. Once you broke, you actually had a rally. Once you came back, you retested it, failed, retested it, failed, retested it, failed, right? So 1513 can be our pivot point for VRU. Once we get over 1513 area, maybe we start moving back up. $16, $17. High is 17.5. We never hit that 17.5 high. We got 17.2. I know there's bulls having this stock on their watch list still, and waiting for that really squeeze through it, right? SLDP, Millie's calling SLDP. Let's go look at SLDP. No, don't. I mean, maybe if it starts opening down here and you get volume, but no, you can't even see the candles. That's already a problem, man. Look at that. I can't even see anything. DPSI, I think I already looked at DPSI. Let me see. DPSI, same thing. Can't see the candles. DPSI, I'd want this over. Let's see. Honestly, I wouldn't even look at DPSI unless we're over 1050. 1050. I'm not gonna touch it until we're over 1050, $10. Look at this. Once we lost this, This 10 to 1050 range right there. Once we lost that, we bounced once. We bounced twice. Once, twice, 3 times. Stuck there 4 times. And then once we lost that, we failed. We're still making lower lows. Here's one low. Here's a lower low. Here's still another lower low. Right? So we might get back up to that 1050, just like VRU. We might get back up there. So if you want to take stabs here and at least get the retest of 10, you can probably do that. But you need volume to come in your favor, and then all that shenanigans. Hola, papi chulo. ¿Qué pasó, papá? Let's see. Look at your viewers. Hello, just got 20 more people in here. Dang, I like it. So actually, now that you said that, that reminds me. I have to open up YouTube. I somehow streamed public on YouTube yesterday, and when I finished the video, yeah. Do I have some people on YouTube, guys, or does it count it on YouTube as well? I think it counts both of them. But yesterday when I finished the live on YouTube, I it said I had 1,000 and it said I had 1,000 and something 1,100 views on YouTube, which I know it counts in both, but there's no way I had 1,000 views on Tradecaster, so I don't know how that video on YouTube already had 1,000 viewers. Oh my God, we actually do have somebody on YouTube commenting. He said, Jesse Byrne, I've been watching from YouTube a couple weeks. LOL. Oh, well, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I never had YouTube open, so I never looked at comments on YouTube if anybody was asking or anything like that. And actually, for the last couple of days, I had it on unlisted. I wasn't actually streaming on YouTube for the same reason that I don't look at YouTube at all, and I want everybody to go to Tradecaster because that's where I can see the chats, I can hear the chat coming in, I can create polls if I wanted to, and most of us are over here, so. Lucky13 is also on YouTube. Appreciate you guys. I am sorry I've been neglecting everybody over there. I'm not used to streaming on YouTube, so I never had that chat open. I think I might start doing both in a little bit since I have more time next week and from now on, basically. So I think I might start doing both, but I will prioritize the Tradecaster chat a little bit more. It is free, guys. Like, you don't have to pay anything. You go to tradecaster.com. It's going to ask you for a payment. Once you get to that payment section, you just click out of it. Just exit out of it. Don't get that membership yet. And then just go to lobbies. You'll see Juan Trades there. Click on it. It says free, and you should be able to watch me. So, all right. Who else do we got here over here? We got Trader 1. Chicago said, were you able to get things taken care of? I think he did, actually. I think he said it right before I jumped in on live. Juan Trades, the 50 SMA is 179 on IMMX. 179. Wait, 179? That's kind of low. Oh, that's why we got the squeeze, yeah. IMMX will have the mob. Yeah, I always think that too, when there's like only one gapper and nobody else is on here. Jess Bronson on Tradecaster is saying, go to Tradecaster, it's free. Yeah. Sniper Trades, no trades. Yes. Hey, actually, Sniper Trades. Did you ever end up watching NURO yesterday? You might have taken a trade on it. Thoughts on BEST? Let's go look at BEST. Huge gap up without even a candle rising. So this is just a straight up gap up, as opposed to when you see IMMX, that candle actually gapped up with it. You see the candle actually ripping. That's buyers that were actually buying it, pumping up the price. So I'd rather trust something that has that kind of move, that you know people are buying it, as opposed to that kind of move where it's just like we're here and then, oh my gosh, we're open? Holy crap. So we got a little downtrend on IMMX that I drew kind of below it now. Let me make sure I'm on the right account. I am. Let me make sure I got the right share size. I do. Let me make sure I make some money. I will. Sniper Trades. I was asking if you took that NURO trade yesterday. I ended up coming home for lunch, which I always have about an hour. RDBX is making a move as well, maybe? RDBX got highs of, oh yeah, this is the $4 break on RDBX that I was looking for. So IMMX is still pulling back a little bit. Maybe we're holding now. Let's see if we can get in here somewhere. Break a VWAP and hold this VWAP. This is that uptrend support that we're back in here now. So let's see if we can get a dip back to that and then see if we can keep rising up. Right there. Just like that. Let's see if we can actually keep squeezing. I'm going to take a little bit out, 2,500 shares. Put a stop loss above break even. Did I not just call that support? Can we please actually get a runner though? Please get a runner, please get a runner, please get a runner. Oh, I love that volume. Oh, I love that volume. I love to see my time and sales shine green. I love the green. No, I hate the red though. I hate red, man. I hate the color red. Red is the worst color ever. $310.26, guys. We are a minute into market open. Up $326. Who wants to go back to sleep? Should I go back to sleep and close the week all red? Did I not just call this, that I had this uptrend right here drawn from pre-market, that I say if we get back over it, take that dip entry right at that support of the uptrend. We might not get the break of 2.6, but 2.6 is my target. I'll take my profit at 2 target. I'm happy with that. If my runner keeps going, I'll make the extra money that I wasn't thinking of. But my trade is going to 2.6. 2.6 is my trade, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. CVET is on my momentum scanner. Let's go watch CVET. CVET $20 stock, 21.9 is his high. We got a break of VWAP, retesting it there. Could have been one entry there. SIGA, maybe a runner, SIGA. Okay, this looks pretty clean. We got a high of 10.07 still. We're still in play on SIGA. Unfortunately, IMMX did not squeeze through that 2.6 level, and we pulled back right under that that uptrend support or whatever you call it. Let's see. What else? Other comments that I have. Everybody on YouTube. If you want to stay on YouTube, no problem. But if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them. I do have the chat of YouTube open today. Any questions you got? Any trade ideas? Any ticker symbols you want me to look at? Anything, right? Go ahead and ask them, and I'll look at them as well, and go ahead and answer your questions. So let's see. Let's see. What comments did I miss? I don't know if you know this or not, but the left side of your screen is not showing to the viewers. Yeah, I only show the part of where my candles are, so the left side of my screen has my momentum. It's because I have a long. It's because I have a long monitor, like it's a wide, ultra wide or something, and so it's if I make everything full size into OBS, it actually makes everything super small and you cannot see it. Like you can't see my profit, you can't see the numbers, you can't see all of that, you know, because it shrinks it so much. IMMX, can we get another little bit of a push here? Back in here at that same support. Back in there at that exact same support. I went lower size this time. I'm not going to fully take away all my profit. Take some profit there, right there. Got a 1,000 shares left. Got 1,000 shares left. Oh my god, I got in at the exact same price or a little bit better or something. I don't know what happened, but my stop loss is 254 again. 254 is the same stop as earlier. Same support, same play, double it. I'm going to take it again. Of course I will. Now, can we actually move or something, man? No way. $396 added about another 90 bucks right there. Up $400 in about 4 minutes, man. If I made $100 every minute, whoo, I'd be rich. Just kidding. That's impossible. APLD, Blair. I think Blair was the one calling APLB halted. Yes, he did. I think I still missed some comments, so let me scroll back up real quick. Kieran said LOL. Kieran. Got a question before I forget, Darth Trader. Okay, let me see it. So if it breaks that 260 mark and closes above, you look for one pullback candle to support, which is back to 260, and then enter on the third candle for the move back up. I will enter if that candle moves up. If this candle closed above 2.6, I will probably take that next candle, kind of like this, right? Hold on, that's the wrong one. Kind of like this. right? That candle closes, take that next micro pullback. This might have dipped a little more than you wanted to, but you want this candle to dip below it, so the candle will dip below it. You want to get that entry, but the candle has to come back and close above it, right? This one is kind of close. You could probably move this resistance down there, right? The body of this candle is body of those candles there, but that red candle will come back up and close above it. That's what you want. That you could, if you wanted to, you can add another small position at the close of that candle, and the next candle always, if that candle comes back up, actually I'm not gonna say always, 99%, I don't know what the percentage is. I just know it's a high percentage because you took them out on that resistance. That next candle comes back down, dips below it. If this candle comes back up, that's two confirmations that bulls are in control. One, you took out their level and you held it. Two, you fought them back and actually destroyed them again. And that third candle will make a third move, right? It'll pop back up. This is the time where I usually start taking profits. If it's the third candle, I'll start taking profit on this move here and watch that rise, that squeeze, right? If that doesn't happen, a lot of times this second candle right here will dip below it, push back up, and if it's holding that same resistance for most of the body, that second candle actually starts squeezing back up itself and then moves into that third candle, which ends up opening at that time where that second candle is already moving up, right? Now it's not like a set deal. That trade I took on Grab yesterday was exactly that. The one I took, actually, I went back and looked at it. So let me show you. I think I already might have. No, it's right there. Let's see if we got anything before I head over there. I'm gonna put an alert on this one just in case we end up squeezing. Now this market's choppy, guys. I think you guys saw me trade Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. PIK had a good runner of 5,000 shares, ready for another 20 cent, 30 cent scalp. It didn't work. Tried Neuro yesterday. I had another runner of whatever, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 shares. Didn't work. Today I just had another runner of 2,500 shares and 2,500 shares there. It didn't work, right? I'm getting stopped out. I'm getting stopped out with $400 profit. That's still really good. If any of those end up taking off, I will make pretty good money, right? An extra $200, $300, $400, especially if we start opening up. All right, so here is that Grab trade from yesterday, right? I don't remember where I took it, but there's one. All right, so here's one that didn't work, right? This one right here, we broke above it, closed it. I'm still watching all the other ones on the side, so closed above it. I took that micro pullback, took some profit, stopped out, right? But watch this one. Closed above it, took that micro pullback, worked out, right? Here's your resistance. Closed above it, took that micro pullback, worked out, right? I mean, they all working. Here's kind of a, no, not really on that one. That one's too extended. But I mean, I missed one, the one that I went in. If I would have came back for that one, I would have made money, right? So doesn't work all the time. If you're fast with your fingers and you learn how to take some profit on those spikes up, even if you stop out on the other ones, you should be pretty close to break even, make some money. I mean, right here, I'm taking a trade. This is literally within tiny little cents, guys. I took a trade. It was right here, right on this red candle. Within the red candle of 252 bought in, sold 2.6, less than 10 cents, 2.6, dropped back down, and I stopped out on the majority of my shares. Still $310 trade, right? Here again, this tiny red candle. I mean, I made money on both of the red candles. I made money on this candle, and I made money on this candle. How did I make money on two red candles and I'm up $400? You just got to be fast. Take your profits when it's squeezing. Don't hope for the best all the time. Hope for the worst, and always take your profit. All right. YouTube, I see 90 people on YouTube. So everybody on YouTube, if you got any questions, go ahead and ask them below. Let's see. APDL, Blair mentioned, was halted. Has it been unhalted? It did. Oh, that is a nasty unhalt. Jesperanza said IMAC. Let's go look at IMAC real quick. IMAC looks good. I have 1-2. How am I not looking at this? 1-2. Is that it right there? No, that's 118. 1-2 is right down here. Definitely gonna keep an eye watch on IMAC. Good call there, Desperanza. Crystal said, maybe I missed if you mentioned it, Juan. Did you say your YouTube stream is always live or only sometimes? I used to have it not live. I used to have it unlisted because it has to go through YouTube to go to Tradecaster. So I used to just have it blocked there so people could just watch me on Tradecaster. But since I'm going to be able to be home and all that stuff, I might have YouTube open as well. And that way I get more people to watch and eventually be able to just solely stream on Tradecaster because that's my plan. Okay, just making sure, boss. What was your first question that you asked? I don't remember, but okay. The little noise is the chat from a Tradecaster. Does it bother you, Sniper Trades? The little cha-ching, cha-ching. It's every time somebody sends a comment on Tradecaster. If I'm trading or something, I hear it. I can lower it down. Oh, wrong button. Somebody mentioned that before, but I like it. But if it bothers you guys, I'll lower it down. Blair, yes, please put a dollar sign in front of your. Please put a dollar sign in front of your ticker symbols. That way, everybody is able to watch it and got it. Look out on it, right? APDL is live. Yeah, I saw that. Not a good on halt. Best was also halted. Ooh, somebody called out Best, and I said no. And look at this. How's today going, Wild Boy? Today's going pretty good. Taking 2 trades up, a little bit under $400. So Dart Trader, you can mute on top right corner. I know I can mute it, but I like it. I like that noise. So I just decreased the volume on it or lower the volume on it. So if you guys still hear it and it bothers you, just let me know, and I guess I can just mute it. Best has a huge float. What is the best highs? 297. What do we got before 297? We got 238s, maybe 240s. MDX, let's see, MDXH moving up. Oh, I do like this one. Holy crap. I almost took a dip there. If this candle pulls back a little bit more to VWAP to this same level as before right here of 1018s. No, I missed that entry, man. I almost got in it right there. I almost jumped in right there. Holy crap. What is this high? 1189. Big stock on here. This one can move fast. Best is live. Best is live. Let's go look at best. Oh my lord. IMMX is still holding that bottom of 243. So watch IMMX. We might get a big squeeze on IMMX. So keep that one on watch. I want to watch this one. MDHS. Oh, IMMX. Did I not just call that out? Watch IMMX. We want the 2.6, right? Because now we're under this uptrend support. Let me put MDHXH on this side. Now I want 2.6 to hold and see if we can get through 2.6 and then another leg up on IMMX. Let me put best on my side just in case as well, because that other stock that I got there is not doing me much. Okay, so I got best, I got MDXH, and I'm currently watching IMMX. 2.6 is the level that I want. A little bit, yeah, it's 2.6. I want to take 2.6. I'd rather play it safer than not, right? So 2.6 is the level I'm watching. Juan Trades, bro, you're doing amazing. Can you stream all day like Deck does? I'd rather listen to you all day than all the other traders. I love that you're saying that. Yeah, definitely gonna be streaming a little bit longer once next week comes around. So yeah. Big fail. Big rejection on IMMX. Not what you like to see. Let me go back and look at on the big screen. Best. Okay. Best is okay. I want MDXH. Bro, I hate that I can't zoom in right because the stock is so... There's not that much. Alright, let's see. MDXH. Sniper Trade. How's everybody doing today? I want to see if Sniper Trade had an order ready on MDXH. What time frame do I mostly use? Just the 1 minute. Just the 1 minute. 240 holding as support for IMMX. Yeah, that is a big flush though. 2 candles right back down. So watch that. If I'm watching a stock and I got 2 green candles engulfing all the other ones on the way up to a key level, I'm probably going to take some type of dip entry in there. So this little green candle that just formed right there is probably a dip entry for shorts. So I'd be careful. I mean, I just called it and look at it. I just called it and look at it. So if you get 2 red candles like that, first of all, you get into a key level, right, where shorts stepped in, right? There we go. Now here's your support, right? There's your little bit of a pullback right there, and this candle started showing green, and I said if I was just short in here, this might be my ad to go short, and there it is. So hopefully you weren't taking any trades on that one. MDXH, I can't say that very well. MDXH. MDXH looks good. We need some volume. Get back over VWAP, and then see if we can get this pivot point of $11, and then all the way up to 12. I gotta get used to putting the dollar sign. No worries, Blair. You're good. Oh my God, you just did that. Look at Blair. He said, I gotta get used to putting the dollar sign. And then his next comment, he goes, DPSI without the dollar sign. What the heck, Blair? Wide Boy said, I can't wait for you to start going short too. Ugh. No traits on IMMX. Good job there. Currently up $396.31. Been trading for 16 minutes. Sorry, not 26, 16 minutes. So far, Momentum Scanner only shows MDXH on there. There's a couple of smaller ones, but you know I like to look for the volume ones, the ones that show up several times. So MDXX shows a 74 on there, so I'm gonna keep an eye on this one still. Sniper Trace has an MDX trade at 1101 with stop loss 1075. Yeah, 1170. Yep, that I thought $11 break all the way up to 12 might be a good play. So let's see if we can get that. SPY's choppy this morning. So far, no trades for me. Sniper Trades. There we go. You're very picky about your trades, but that's because you know exactly what you're looking for. So good job. Anybody else taking some trades? I go long and short. When I was day trading, I was running the same stock both directions. Awesome, Odd Boy. I guess I could, because when you're on the long side, you're trading it good, and then you get to that point where you're like, this is too extended. I'm not buying anymore, and that's when you should be like, okay, maybe I should short it now, right? But I get it. But for somebody that's never done it, I mean, I've never done it at all. It can be still kind of nerve-wracking, but for sure, yeah, gotta take a look at it more. And then I've called out several shorts, right? But there goes MDXX. This is what I was wanting, but let's see if we can hold this VWAP. Let's see if we pull back a little bit, get a safer entry on here. Maybe not. I wanted to get in there, but did not. Should have bought that dip there. Same thing that I always call out. Get the dip of the candle, but watch that candle pull back up and close above VWAP, right? I should have gotten that dip right there. Oh, I have my, no, I don't have my music playing, man. I don't think I have music. Can y'all hear my music? SIGA is moving up. Wait, you can hear my music somehow? Somebody took a trade on IMAC with 1,000 shares. Let's go look at IMAC. Okay, I got confused. Our traders got me confused. Very low volume on IMAX, so be careful. These candles are not moving, and then out of nowhere they spawn on you, and they're like that. So you just went dooch. Okay, I see. That's weird, but oh well. Yeah, I'm playing some music. I just don't have it on through the desktop, so that's kind of weird. Oh well. So far nothing else, guys. I hate this. Oh, best. No, that's not best. That's EBS. Oh, that's a price stock. Yeah, you're playing Backstreet Boys, right? That's why I still had it on muted, dude. I didn't want y'all to hear. Then I gotta put up to the other music that I don't like, just so you guys can hear. But right now I was playing my kind of music, right? But just because you're saying that, let's jam a little bit. Good song. No trade so far, guys. This is the market we live in. You get one or two plays, and then you sit on the sidelines. DPSI, low volume, still moving up. SIGA had one good move, one good candle, but right up to pre-market resistance, so I left it alone. Watch this. Right there, right? So this could be a dip trade, but because we're right at pre-market there, I left it alone. I noticed that on my 5 minutes, so I didn't really say anything, and I didn't take the trade either way. So I left that pivot alone. See if we can keep moving up though. IMMX is still right back up to that 240. We're holding 240 now, so let's see if we just accumulated more shorts. That now we'll probably get squeezed. Now we got a downtrend right here, so let's wait to see that. Right? I'm not gonna get rid of that. I'm just gonna leave it there as well. So, do you ever swing trade? Very rarely I swing trade. Yes. If we get a weak close today, the market won't look pretty next week. We're just making lower lows. Yeah, everything is still gonna keep going low. Let me see. For swing trades, I like to look at the 1 hour, 4 hour charts, but on the day, not the dailies. Hold on, these charts right here. So 360 day, 1 hour, right? So this is TQQQ, right? We got downtrend little channel right here. I think I took a trade short once right there, and I missed this one actually. But look at that clean channel going down. These are the little swing plays that I make. So resistance there, hit it again there, shorted the 3rd time, and I missed this the 4th time. We did double bottom there, but I probably do see this going a little bit lower again. I'm gonna go back and look at IMX or IMMX. I don't know why I keep saying IMX. IMMX. Here's the shorts that we just kept accumulating. Now we're gonna go right back up to this trend line, see if we get a break on it. Fortunately, nothing else is happening, guys. This is ridiculous. So if it's a no trade day for you again, then no trade is better than a red trade, right? So careful. Need to brave VWALKs on IMMX. Yes, we do, and this downtrend as well. So now we got three triple top right there. RDBX is shooting an alert. Let me put RDBX on the side. RDBX high is 425, and we are trading at right over $4 now. We're holding $4 with RDBX. Let me go look at RDBX. $4 right there. That could have been a dip trade. $4 retest. IMMX does not want to give up. Now we're stuck in between VWAP, and we're stuck in between that downtrend. Can you put the ticker symbol on the charts like Deck does? It's hard to tell what stock chart you're looking at. No entry for me, just watching RDBX. So can you see up here, right above my buy button? Because I switch charts way too fast. If you can see this up here, which is why I don't have my actual full screen, because if I put my full screen, all of this is tiny and you guys can't see it, which is why half of my screen is kind of cut off. But RDBX moving back up again. Let me go look at RDBX. 425 is a high. If you can see that top part, that's great. If not, I can call him out a little bit more, a little bit better as I'm looking at him. Looking for more volume and breaker 441. 441 on IMMX now squeezing, RDBX now squeezing. Which one are we gonna look at? I want to look at IMMX. 2.6 level again, back above this uptrend. We're breaking above this downtrend now. Sorry, downtrend. Let's see if we can hold this move and then start moving back up. Let's see if 2.6 breaks, holds. RDBX is actually taking off as well. So is RDBX halted? No, it's not. IMMX, come on, give us one more trade, one more good trade. IMMX. This candle closed pretty low, even though this is at support. I'm gonna sit out on this trade right there. I'm gonna sit out on this trade. This candle closed way too low from where it was at, right? AGRI looking interesting. Can get above AGRI. Let me put AGRI up here. AGRI highs is 334. We're trading at 278. Okay. RDBX. Anybody chasing RDBX? RDBX had a nice clean break of $4, retest of $4, missed that retest of $4. That should have been your entry. Psychological numbers. PGO3 said yes. I'm guessing he's chasing RDBX, so good job there. Take profits on the way up. IMMX, can we get a squeeze on IMMX? This is what I'm waiting for. 2 6s right there. Watch this double top though, but maybe take a dip on the other one. Watch this level right here now. Tommy123, are you saying that works to be able to look up here, or to me calling out exactly the each stock that I'm looking at over like as soon as I switch? Because I can do that, but if this works up here, then that works as well, so I don't have to be completely like remembering all the time and stuff, you know. But IMMX, yeah, IMMX is still looking decent so far. The 2-6 level, man, 2-6 is pretty strong. Look at all of this right here. That lines up right there, 2-6. I want 2-6 to break. Somehow RDBX is still flying. Candles are looking a little bit more choppy. It's not really like pulling through. So that's not one that I'm going to chase right there. But if it starts pulling back and creating some dips, then yes, I will chase that one. So I'm still watching it on my side. Okay, Tommy, that works out. So yeah. Sorry about that if you were lost for a little bit. Can you look at TXMD? TXMD. Okay, I like this. 338 is the high of TXMD, okay. Resistance right here at 305. RDBX pulled back pretty aggressively. That one was not aggressively, but it's still up there. TXMD, I like TXMD. Volume is increasing on the stock, so there's my usual daily zoom, random zoom. It always happens, right? Then you can find the right one for your business from there. Post your job for free at LinkedIn. I'm gonna go look at IMMX real quick. LinkedIn.com/Pandora. Terms and conditions apply. 2-6 level right here. Look at all those shorts at 266. 2-6. A tiny little spike to 2-6. And that candle rejects so hard, man. It's time to welcome them back. At Upwork, you'll find the world's. It's funny. Hey, that's one thing that I'm gonna, when I start making my course, that I have to stress to you guys. But I guess obviously you guys are watching here, so Ali Concha, man, you're missing the action. Just kidding. Welcome in. Glad you're in here. And one thing you have to understand is, whenever I was saying yesterday that patterns repeat themselves, and I was able to call out that PIK and Neuro, and then the 2 on DPSI. The reason why they repeat themselves is for that same reason that you and I are the same people that are trading the stocks every day, right? You and I are trading it today. You and I are trading it tomorrow. You and I are trading it the next day. You and I know exactly what happened. You and I, like, it's the same language that you and I, RDBX. 425 is a high, right? I'm watching RDBX. I might get a starter on this next little pullback if we get one. 20 seconds left on this candle. This is going to squeeze through new high. Let me get in small size here. Let's see if we really start opening up. Small size is not going to hurt me. Okay, I didn't want it to break right away, but okay. Take profit on the other side. We got the 425 break. Let's see if we hold 425. If we do, then maybe we can keep moving like that a little bit more. So take some out of that high candle. Jumped in very small size, very small. Oh, I have 800 shares left. I thought I had like 200 shares left. That works fine with me. I'll take that. Took a small trade on very small size. I'm gonna fully get out. $26. Very small size on the RDBX. Once that candle, this is a different candle than these, right? I was saying I don't really want to chase these. This is 2 candles and you really start ripping those levels, right? That one I will chase, get a dip, especially when you have that high right there, Woof. Of course I'm gonna take that. It's a high, buy high, sell high, right? Buy high, sell high. But if I get those 5 cents, I'll take those 5 cents. Alright, so IMMX watch Juan Trace, just as I called it, boss man, on IMMX. The 2-6 level. Yeah, I wasn't gonna take a trade on 2-6 on IMMX if 2-6 did not hold. You could see that stock the second it popped up the first time, it went boom, and then it broke it, and then boom. Sellers are in there, man. One way to tell that, and this is why people learn to trade different, guys. I'm a visual guy. I can see that candle. The second it hits that 2-6, pulls back. I see that time of sales red out of the corner of my eyes. I see it, right? People are watching level 2. If you're watching level 2, I guarantee you the ask number on 2.6 is higher. And people only trade looking at level 2. And if that's what you're used to, then that's what works for you, right? There's not a one-way right thing to trade stocks. There's not a one winning strategy that works for everybody. There's not. Something works for me, and because I'm fast with my hotkeys, fast at reading stocks, fast at knowing when to buy, when to sell it. For my little pullbacks or micro pullbacks, break of VWAPs, new high like RDBX right there. I took a trade on RDBX for less than. I mean, I bought in somewhere in here and sold somewhere in there. I mean, fast trade, right? $26, still a green trade, but I only jumped in with very, very small size, right? I think I was up 50 bucks. I think I got a pretty bad fill on the way out on one of those, but it's green trades. That's what matters. Go to charts and click style settings, general display, and check your unchecked the show symbol logo setting. Let me see. Style, go to settings. Is this some kind of trick to like delete? I'm just kidding. To like reset to default settings? That'd be funny. Let's see. General. Did I click general? Okay, general display and check or uncheck the show symbol logo. Show symbol logo. What does that do? What did that do? What does that do? I have no idea what it did. Missed this trade. Re-click it on. Let's see. Display the settings. This settings on the style menu. No, I don't want to do that. I want to know what it does. Oh yeah. So it might not do it for these, but it probably does it for the. No, it doesn't. Why doesn't it do it? I know I've seen what you're talking about. RDBX, man, we missed RDBX. Who told me to go look at my settings? Who owes me a little bit of money? Because I swear I was about to jump in on RDBX with 100,000 shares and would have made about 20k on this candle right here. So who's responsible for that? Who owes me 20k? Who owes me 20k? I can tell you exactly who owes me 20k. Wheels! Bro, 20k? It's in the mail, okay. Better be priority mail, dude. I better have it tomorrow. Oh, by the way, speaking of money, Juan Trace, I meant to tell you. What did you mean to tell me, man? Tell me. Sniper Trades took a trade on... Which trade did you take? Profit 315, 338. Sniper Trades, what trade did you take? TXMD pushing. This high is 330, 338, right? I'm in here long. 338 to break. Maybe. I think it's 338, right? I might have looked at it wrong, but let's see. A lot of sells now. Watch this candle come back up and close. Close above 328. Let's see if we can get a close above 328. A lot of sell orders. I'm not liking this one. Good thing I jumped in small size. Yep. No, that one hurts. I'm gonna stop out. So this candle closed above it. I was wanting to 338, so RDBX is gonna come back up. So lost on this one, $150. That kind of stings a little bit, but I'm still green. Oh well. That flushed down the second this candle was there. I took a dip trade. Wanted this to hold in 338 level, but oh well. Part of trading. Still up today. Not mad about it. Contact customer support after the market slows down about your trade yesterday when you canceled your order at the market open and got filled and lost money. Thinkorswim should waive that and get you back some cash. You can do it on the live chat. Oh. See, last time I can't remember what it was. Oh, I took a trade. Oh, this one I was pissed, dude. This one I took a trade the other day, and I was halted in a stock right below pre-highs, right? So say this was pre-highs right there of whatever it was, $7 or something like that, and I was halted somewhere around here, and I had like 7,500 shares in the halt, right? And I knew that I said it. I knew this is gonna unhalt and take that level out. It was probably like a $3,000-$4,000 trade because it was a pretty volatile stock, and I just knew. I was like, this is gonna open, it's gonna spike to a new high, and I'm gonna make good money on it. Somehow, the second that stock unhalted, it took my shares out and closed them. I had a stop loss, but it wasn't a limit order, it wasn't anything, it was an actual stop loss, and it just sold my shares. I called them and I asked them, and they just didn't do anything about it. They couldn't. I mean, they were like, no, we just don't see anything on our side, so sucks. I was like, there's no way, man. But yeah, I'll try it. I'll ask them, so see what they say. So, which was the first stock that I traded today? It looked like it was IMMX, right? IMMX. Up 396 on IMMX and lost 150 on just that one other one, TXMD. Okay. I'm going to keep an alert on TMXMD, see if we come back up. Big flush on MDXH. That's the one I was also hoping we can get another move, but just now, I think it even halted down, actually. Next week could look nasty. Shorts have a whole week to run the market lower starting Monday. Yeah, I agree with you. This market is still gonna keep pulling back. But hey, just have some cash on the side and put some in for long term, and you'll be set. You'll be set. Plus, it doesn't help that everybody's saying this market is not gonna stop. It's not going to be a bull market until late September and stuff like that, so it could be right, you know. So, oh well. So I've had 4 trades today, I believe. 1, 2, 3. I took another trade somewhere else. Small winner somewhere. SIGA squeezing. SIGA, a little bit of a breakout here. Where are we going though? Where are we going? Where are we headed to? $10 is what we want. Big rejections on all these candles, guys. This candle, just this tiny low candle's got a range of 10 cents. $9.41 there. If this keeps pulling back a little bit, might take some stabs at it, but let's see. Merso had EVX shares at, oh, I missed that. SIG at oh no, Merso. Dang. Why didn't I see this earlier, guys? Oh, it's on my halt scanner now. Great. SIGA is what I was looking at. Bull market starts in 2025. CMRX was a dead cat bounce. see that. I do like EVX. Are you gonna have an order ready at $12? Sniper trades? Because I am scared on this one that it will open high with that big volatility of $12, $13 right there, open high and just slam back down. When did this halt though? I'm gonna take a look at it. 907. Let's put alerts on this one. This one could be good. Whoa, somehow if I put an alert above it right now, it already gets triggered. Oh, never mind. There we go. So let's watch this one, EVX resumption. I'm going to put it on my side chart in case I missed it as well. EVX. EVX halted at 1184. $12 is around the corner. Psychological resistance there, or just get that break above it. So Tesla is getting collapsed today. Yep, they are. Sniper trades, yes. Was trying to get in on some puts, LOL, but it's moving too quick. Yeah.
I borrowed a pair from my son and didn't want to give them back. Give an item when you buy an item and get 20% off your first purchase at bombas.com.
Let me see what my actual other accounts look like. See if I'm taking a beating today like I've taken a beating. Oh, I'm still green on mine just because of my trading. Okay, so IMMX still holding that 2-4 somehow. MDXX halted, resumed, keep pulling back. RDBX hit a 444 and one candle, took it back down, didn't even get another move after that. Pretty big candle pushing up, which is the other one that I just took a loss on. TXMD. TXMD, I got an alert up here. Oh, EVX is live. EVX is live. Oh my gosh. Look at that resumption, guys. How does that happen? How does that happen? That sucks for people that bought that halt. Oh, that sucks. You can't even trust halts anymore. Saiga, SIGA looking like a bull flag, yeah. Tiny small bull flag, yeah. EVX somehow holding that candle though, so EVX was somehow holding that candle there though, so can we get a move up on this on EVX? Do we squeeze through $12 on EVX? Did we squeeze through $12 on EVX? $20 seconds on this candle. If this candle closes high and gives me a little dip on the next one, might be just a little micro pullback for people to get in long and get the break of $12. So watch this EVX. There's risky play here. Either I make good money or I go red on the day. If I see the setup that I'm looking for. Did not close high. I wanted that candle to close right up here, literally right next to it. Oh, I had my heart pounding there for a second. I was ready with big share size on that one. I was ready on that one. IMMX is back up, trying to get to that 2.6 level. EVX, it had low volume, but still, even with low volume when that candle was squeezing up, if this candle really was to have closed here, I would have taken that dip trade and ripped through $12. $12 is right there. Even if we didn't get that rip of $12, I was looking to at least take some profit there. So I really hesitated on that one. I think I did the right thing to sit it out, but it was looking pretty, really pretty for a second. I was loaded up with 2,500 shares, I think. 2,500 shares through a small stock like this. I mean, a big spread like this would have been a good payout there. So I said either I go red on the day or I go good green day right there. So left it alone. I think it was the right move. So SIGA, let's go back and look at SIGA. Oh, look at that. RDBX now is flushing, of course. RDBX is also pulling back too much. Yeah, no, that's why I was hesitating. Is J trades really Juan trades? What? That's not me. IMMX pushing up still. Actually, that does sound kind of. It sounds very similar. I think mine shows red. I think you'll see. That should be me. Oh, SIGA move up. Next pivot point is 975. IMMX is just going horizontal all day. Now, I am not trading all day again today, but look at this. Watch this. IMMX. Right? We're going horizontal. If this goes horizontal all day, kind of like this, watch that power hour, because people will start doing this. Look at this. This is Neuro yesterday. This is Neuro yesterday, right? IMMX could not break the high of the day, right? We went sideways all day on Neuro. Went sideways on Neuro all day. And then what happened? Closer power hour. You squeezed through all those levels and started grinding up, right? IMMX looks similar so far. I'm not saying we're gonna get a squeeze later on. I'm not saying we can't get a squeeze now, but this is what happens when you trade sideways all day. You're accumulating shorts, you're accumulating buyers, you're accumulating both. So once it picks a direction, it'll really pick that direction. Friday volume, especially Friday volume, man. Nobody wants to hold shorts over the weekend. Nobody wants to hold a short over the weekend. We got doppelgangers in here. Somebody gave me a smiley face for my comment. 3 people. SIJ is the only one on my momentum scanner either way, so it's grinding up, but it's kind of choppy. Look at the volume, and like on this green candle, it slowed down completely, and then the next candle somehow you ripped higher with less volume than this candle up here with more volume, right? So TXMD, if this one gets back up, I want revenge. If this one gets back up, I want revenge on TXMD. And SIGA will really start picking volume if we get back up to 980s, 990s. If we get in this area, you'll see the volume come in, and people are going to try to break that $10, and people are going to try to back up that $10. So right now, we're letting all the other people do the dirty work and try to get it up there. If we get it up there, then traders like me, sniper trades, everybody that takes those super high trades will start watching it. But now I'm just going to sit on the sidelines and wait. El pinche pájaro outside said you were calling in sick. No manches, güey, tú no paras de eso, ¿verdad? Es mi último día ya. La semana que viene ya. Stream all day, every day. Just kidding. IMMX. 2-6 level again. 2-6 level on IMMX. Can we actually break 2-6 level? Can we actually break and hold IMMX 2-6? Look at this. Hits 2-6, spikes down. Hits 2-6, spikes down. I'm watching IMMX 2-6 level. See if we get that break over 2-6. Oh my gosh, I missed that. Is this gonna keep squeezing though? Is it gonna keep squeezing though? Yes, it is. Of course it is. Of course it is, because you see that little bit of a dip and then you rip. This is still squeezing, guys. This is still gonna squeeze. You squeeze them out of their comfort zone. You're buying high, you're selling high, man. It actually hit that same trend line. That is crazy. Unwind the position a little bit. Unwind the position a little bit. Back it up. Back it up. I got 1,500 shares left. This is just a little pullback, right? It's just a tiny little profit taken. Why? Because I'm taking profit, you're taking profit, we're all taking profit, right? But what are we gonna do? Come back in here? Come back in here stronger than ever, pushing back even more? Maybe? Actually, a lot of sellers still piling in, but I'm still holding. Unwind it a little bit more. 1,000 shares left. Hit banger while we make some money. A lot of shorts actually. Okay, I might unwind it on this push back up a little bit. Right there a little bit. Can we move a little higher and get me out, fully out? Get unwind on this little pop up because I don't think this is gonna hold. 577, increase my win. 577. The Morinox on 260 and doesn't break through, the heart of the flush, also known as sell-off, will be. But if it breaks through, you get that move right there. You get that move right there, right? Another winner trade, guys. Now up $577. Oh, look at RDBX. RDBX said, don't leave me behind, man. I want some of that action too. RDBX said, you can do it, I can do it. Honestly, I still like IMMX, even though there's still a lot of shorts. If we get another move back up, they're going to flush out of here real fast, and you're going to get that move right back up. So watch to see if we hold this level here, though. I might have gotten out a little too early, but you scaled in with how many shares? I took a 5,000 share position right there. I took a 5,000 share position right there. Hey, look at that. Look at that, Ape. Look at that. Not Ape Trade. Sniper Trades 263 to 2. He took a trade from 263. He got in earlier than me. I hesitated there and it shot right back up without me in it, but I jumped in for that afterwards. Once that broke, it spiked up, came back and held this one. Even though that candle hadn't closed, that candle held that level, and that's when I decided to pull the trigger, jumped in 5,000 shares, wrote it up, took some profit. Had a 2,000 share runner here. I thought this would be micro pullback, keep squeezing up. Unfortunately, it didn't work again. 2,000 shares, man. 2,000 shares for another 10-cent move right there would have been another $200. Kind of missing it, right? But oh well. That's what this market is. Look at that. You can't even hold the move. Crazy. What's up, Agaska1421? Darth Trader, what's up, bro? Juan, is that a bull flag forming on IMMX? You had a little downtrend pattern, yeah, but usually yeah, I mean, you can count it a little bit, but this is your support at 271, and now you're a little bit below it, so watch it. Morte looks like he's out of here. Morte, hope you made some money today. See you on Monday. Thanks for being in here as well, so appreciate you coming in here. Dart Trader, I'm about to short IMAC. Somebody wants to short IMAC. They can short IMAC. Looks not bad for me. RDBX is broke that down trade and now trying to come back up. How long did it take you to become comfortable taking large share positions, emotionless or with less emotions at least? It took a while, and to me, I know everybody's at a different level, guys. To me, 5,000 shares right now is not a big size. I could take 5,000 shares and not feel comfortable. I'm actually struggling right now to take a 10,000 to 15,000 because I have plenty of buying power to buy these stocks for 10, 15, right? Instead of making $500 a day, I could be making 1,000 on this play. Instead of averaging $800 a day, I could be averaging 2,000, 3,000. You know, I want to get to that level. Right now, I'm making good money, but you know, if I can up it a little bit more, it's gonna be better. I think this market right now, it's stopping me from that. I tried Lightspeed to see if I can get quicker buys, quicker sells. Commissions were too much. So I'm actually currently struggling with that, but just go slowly until you get to that point where you feel comfortable. But yeah, it's something that I still struggle with. I mean, this is a $2 stock, man. I could take a 20, 30,000 share position right there. I haven't yet. I don't feel comfortable. Not in this market. I don't know if that's answering your question or not. When you can manage a loss of $500 with a 10,000 share position, with a 5,000 share position, then you'll know that, okay, I mean, $500, I can make $500 back tomorrow if I just play the same size, right? If you take a big share size and you lose 2,000 or you lose 500, and 500 is a big loss for you. If you average $50 to $100 and you lose 500 and you're like, holy crap, 500 is actually a big loss for me, then you know that you can't manage to take that same share size again, right? And you can manage the loss more than the wins, that's fine. Because oftentimes my losers are bigger than my winners, and that's just part of how I trade. SIGA spiked to 975. I had the target of 975, hit it to the penny and pulled back. Filippo 94 said he was stressful but took a trade on IMMX and up $70 and done for the day. Good job, Filippo. Turn your computer off and call it a day. Walk away. Did you have a stop buy set at 263? No. Sniper Trades. Oh, Sniper Trades did. Yeah. Sniper Trades always has his orders ready before he jumps in them. I do not. I do the opposite. I jump in them, hopefully pushing the price to where he is ready. So he finds the place where it's a break, right? So we knew 260 was a break, right? If we get over 260, especially this pivot point right here, 264, he's got his order ready. If we get over this level, very likely we squeeze up to that new high, right? So he's got his order ready there. I think his profit was 285, so it actually hit. So good job, Sniper Trades. Even a 5K position though, if IMMX flushed when you were in and it at 30 cents flush, could have been a $1,500. Let me see. You're right. Then how did I not make $1,500 on that play? I got in pretty high, so I only got like 10 cents, and then my stoppers, my other ones got it there, got out here, so it didn't work, didn't keep flushing. Yeah, you're right. I mean, I understand what you're saying. It's part of trading. I'm just kind of used to it. Also experience. When you see all of that, I mean, and you break and that candle squeezes up like that, my thinking is they're not gonna come in stronger. At this point, they've already stopped that, right? Oh, wrong one, man. Come on. Why do I do that? Oh, wrong one again. Like, to me, they're not adding to their position right there. They're covering their position at that point. Here is a flush that I don't want, right? Because this right here is still their territory. Even though we pushed them a little bit, this is still their territory. I didn't take that trade. I took the trade way up here. When now they're out of their territory. They're completely out. They're covered. This is their squeeze. Their stop losses are sitting right here. Their stop losses are sitting right here. Their stop losses sitting right here, right? Their stop loss is sitting up here, right? I took the trade where they're all out, and now it's buyers pushing it. If that makes sense, kind of, right? I could have added a small share size here, and that one I would have been more scared that it flushed, because it could have done that, and it could have done this. Look at those rejections. 2 candles down, 2 candles down, 2 candles down, right? I hesitated on it, but now that I really saw that clear break and people are out, I took that trade up there. So yeah. Just needs experience, discipline, and big ol' balls to make money. Blair is up $10 on MDXH. Good job, Blair. Still keeping that green streak. Sniper Trade said, Jim's been watching a bidder that kept pushing the price higher. When it recovered and broke 258 with heavy volume, I placed a stop limit order at 263, 265. Cool, cool, cool. Big Spread said, Blair, thank you. It's really simple process I have. I like to keep it KISS model. Don't need rocket scientists to trade. Just needs experience as playing big balls to make money. Yep, took a $14 loss in IMMX. I hesitated to buy it until the last minute. Yeah, sorry, Desperanza. You'll get it back. Joey said, don't forget to post your profits and losses on the tab. I don't know. Let me see exactly how much I'm up. Should I just import my trades so I know? I should be up like $400, I think. I took that loss on the other one. Where's my internet? Oh, right here. Still says I have 94 viewers on YouTube. Anybody still watching from YouTube, guys? Any questions? You guys get to see that trade, 2 trades there. I think I took, let me see, let me import this first and then I'll come back. RDBX, yeah, RDBX is moving up. $450, not the best, but okay. Alright, so here is this week's profit. Monday, $184. Tuesday, $300. Wednesday, $784. Thursday, 46. This was yesterday. Look at this. I went red, right? That initial trade that I didn't hesitate, that canceled, got filled, took me red. Made it all back, took a red trade, I don't remember what it was, and then this was that neural trade after on my lunch period that I ended up ending green on the day. So $46, and today currently up $450. So that's probably like a $2,000 week, I think, right? Not bad, not bad for an hour of trading a day. Let's see what it actually is. $1,800 week. What am I using to import my trades? I am using TraderView. TraderView is what I'm using. So $450 today. Are you serious? This should have been $1,000 winner, man. I jumped in too late. This should have been a good trade. That's frustrating. And then this should have had another leg up with my shares that I had left over. 2,500, 3,000 shares left. Not good. IMMX, that first trade here, I stopped out. Like, I stopped out on my runners there. Stopped that on my runners there. Stopped that on my runners there. Like, 3 trades that I just could not get a next move. This should have been an extra $100, $200, an extra $200, $100, $200. This should have been an extra $300, $400 maybe. I mean, 3,000 shares up here for another 2-cent move, 3-cent move, maybe more. Should have been $1,000 day today. Always could have, should have, would have, right? I am using TraderView to import my trades. TraderView is not free though. You have to pay a membership. I don't know what I paid, 30, 40 bucks a month, I think. I pay the cheapest one. I think if you pay for the upgraded one, you get more statistics and stuff, but I think this gives me plenty, so. I'll take $1,800 for 5 hours of work. Then you can enjoy your day or work on a side hustle. Yep. That's why I'm gonna start doing this for you guys, and yeah, instead of my other job where I'm wasting 8 hours a day over there and getting $100 a day. Or more than that, but you know what I mean. That's a nice looking week. Heck yeah. I've actually had 2 red weeks all year. I went a while without having a single red week, and then I had 2 back-to-back. So week number 19 and week number 20. 19 I lost $400, and 20 a little bit less than $400. But 2 weeks red on the whole year so far. That is great. That's good. That's good. That's good. I also feel like when I was first started streaming, I obviously wasn't used to looking and trading and having the pressure of you guys watching. So I think April was my slowest month. I think I only closed April a little over $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on the month. But that's fine. That's fine. This market, we're in a bear market, guys. If you can make money in a bear market, or even just stay profitable, stay break even, or lose a little bit, you're doing good. Trust me, you're doing good right now. This was a winner here. We could have all jumped in it. This was a winner there. This was a winner there. We just not getting that follow through, not getting that momentum that we usually see in the markets, right? Sniper Trades hasn't had a red week since September 2021. There we go, Sniper Trades. Good job. Good job on that. What state do I live in? I am in Texas. How long have I been training? Oh my god, I missed a lot of comments. I've been training almost 3 years. 3 years will be in September, I believe. August, September, somewhere around there when I actually started with real money. Jesperanza, wait, in the U.S. but originally from the Philippines. Blair says, I'm 3 weeks straight green, Blair. I think you've been 3 weeks in my stream and 3 weeks straight green. So there you go. K Dot said Sega and MCMRX. Let's go back to Sega. Is Sega back up to 975? And nope. Look at right here. There's your double top right there, right? Candle never even made it close to it, never even close above it. Don't take that micro pullback. Don't take that one. You didn't close above it. You didn't even get close to it, right? Don't take that one. AGRI moving up. Let's go look at AGRI. Low volume. We need that volume to come in. If anything, RDBX is still trying.
We get you, Jackie and Fresno, putting your employee safety first.
I don't know if I'm gonna take another trade. I'm gonna have to really be picky about it. So, if you want to play the short game, this right here of 269 was your short entry for IMMX. We made a big move. Didn't even get the follow through at all. Like, it just did not get a next leg up. Look at all these candles consolidating on that 269. Once you got the first candle to close below, which is this tiny candle right there. Oh, actually, you got one there, so you could have taken this little dip here and followed it. But this is your next move, and there you goes. There goes that next move. So, could have been a short there. What is NTW? Does that mean not able to borrow? Not. You can't borrow, you can't short if it says NTW. I mean NTB, sorry, NTB. What does MTB mean? Oh, SIGA. 1007. Where's $10 at? $10 right there. $10 right there. Can we at least get the $10? This is that squeeze, right? This is that squeeze. That's your little bit of a pullback. Take that next trade. Start taking profits, right? A lot of sellers though. Let's see if we can keep moving up. No shorts on RDBX at trade 0. Okay. That was a good buys off that low right there. So if this candle closes here, next candle will make a new high. If this candle closes up here, that next candle can keep that continuation, or this candle itself might break it. The way that bounced off of down here, the second that candle popped down, it instantly reversed back up. Good buying pressure. Time and sells flashes green. Level 2, I'm sure you got a lot of bids down there, so let's keep watching. 1007 is this high. We want the break of $10. Who's using Lightspeed? Red Roost? No. Jade Agaska's using Lightspeed. $10 is holding. Look at what the frick? Stupid mosquito or fly or whatever the heck that was. $10 to the penny stopped. Trade here could have been this dip, and like I was calling out, we don't know if 10 will break, but 10 could be a good at least touch it, right? So that would be your take profit a little bit, and then this would be your runner that never gives profit in this market, right? I don't know. This is just gonna stall out, run out of energy up here. So none to borrow. Okay. So yeah, that's what I had on IMMX. So I couldn't even short IMMX if I wanted to. Tivo and Blair were calling out SIGA before I even looked at it. Anybody chase this move right up here? Good volume, good breakout. Take that next little pullback and then keep going up. Chicago is asking what my buying power is on. I don't know what the actual buying power is. It changes every day. Oh my gosh! You want to see what my buying power is, guys? Gosh dang it. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see what my buying power is? $10 break, Candle's not holding it, don't chase it. $10 break, didn't hold it, don't chase it. We can't see it. My day trading buying power is blurry, but a lot of digits. Is that all you need? A lot of digits? There's that candle to hold it. 1008 new high. Close to, no, not that close to 300k. SIGA, $10 break and squeezed right back up. 1.2 million pesos? What? 1.2 million pesos is not that. Oh, actually, 1.2 million pesos might actually be close to what I am. I don't. Let me see. How much is 1.2 million pesos? 1.2 million pesos. It's like $21 a peso right now, right? Oh, wait a second. No. 1.2 million pesos is only $57,000. Pesos mexicanos. Mexican pesos. I'll tell you what my buying power is, but I want to see if 20. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that makes sense. So 1.2 million pesos is only 57,000. No, I don't have 57,000 buying power. Buying power is what's okay? Somebody guess. 200k. Wild boy. Wild boy. What do we win? Huh? Who's gonna win this? Who wants? What should I do for free? What should the price be if somebody gets it? This is what I'm thinking, guys. Whenever I actually start charging for my streams, I want to do like a monthly. Holy crap! Catalyst Trading, you are very, very close, Catalyst. This is what I'm telling you guys. Whenever I actually start charging for the stream, I want to do like a little game every month, and then so you give Millie. You're right. All right, Millie. If you hit it, you get my whole account, but you get one try, Millie. 239. You missed it. There's your one chance. You missed it. Oh shit, what time is it? 9:43. Okay guys, I want to say this. You win the 20k debt to pay in full to Juan trades from this morning, miss. Yeah, that's right. Do a poll. Let's see. But can y'all type in random answers? Oh wow, I can actually check the time of everybody being in here. No, so far classic. No, Catalyst Trading has been the closest. Oh, late hit has been the closer now. Late hit's getting closer, getting warmer. All right, guys, I need to get this out of my chest because I want to do it for you guys. Well, I got that. Millie, oh my God, Millie, you actually got it, but you missed your chance. My buying power is exactly $233,927.20. But that changes every day. The more I buy, the more power I get. The less I buy, the less power buying power I get. So 233k, almost 234 basically. What was I gonna say? When I start charging for my live streams, I want to do like a monthly thing of like games and kind of like fun games like this. You get one guess, everybody guesses. Whoever's closer wins a prize. I'll give out either merchandise, either AirPods, like Apple Watch, $500, something like that, right? As long as I'm not giving most of the money back I'm making, but just something to thank you guys. And I know a lot of you guys are probably starting, so if you got some money like that to get your account going or something like that, then that might help you. But that way, so you guys get something out of it as well, like besides all the learning and stuff. And I think that's kind of cool. So, how old am I? I am. Somebody else knows this answer. Somebody else knows how old I am. Yep. Schoolie's right. Sniper Trades is right. Mersa. Ooh, Mersa. You and I have to have a talk. You and I have to have a talk. For one, because you don't know my age, and two, how the heck do I live 46, man? I'm just kidding. I know you know. Oh, 45. Sorry. 39.5. Actually, if you're gonna count fractions like that, SIGA is still moving up, but there was no clean setup for me besides this entry here that I was not watching. This $10 hit it, spiked down, broke above it, could have gone on the next little pullbacks, but now we're really squeezing up, and I've left it alone. I missed that, guys. Sorry. For sure, you're right. I will be 24 in June. In June. TiVo made 528 profit on SIGA. There you go. You called it earlier. You called it right at this move here, and you were probably buying, accumulating, and now you're up 528. Good job, man. You're making a little bit more money than me today. Good job. Good trading. Everybody go give him a little. Wild Boy started the trend. There we go. Where would I short SIGA? I think SIGA is actually at max highs if I'm correct. Yeah, SIGA is at max highs. I couldn't tell you. I mean, unless I zoom out really far. Oh, actually, that is his max highs ever on the last year. So I can't even tell you where. If you really want a good short, at least just follow this uptrend right there and wait for that crack. That's a pretty big a pretty steep uptrend, so once you get that crack under it, get a retest or something, start shorting it and start adding a little bit, and this will pull back all the way, right? SIGA really picked up that volume, man. Gosh, this should have been our big winner today, and somehow I have a big fat donut on it. Aaron said, I'm 12,088,800 minutes old. What the heck? My birthday is the 21st. We would all like to know how much you had when you started trading. I started just enough to get me over 25K. First year I doubled it to 30, and then next year after that, 21st of June is my birthday, and then last year I was sitting somewhere in the 60s.
You're the
of
one
profit.
Everyone looks to for answers. Come rain or shine, the job must get done, and you're the one who makes it happen. We get
Sniper Trades looking at 1051 entry on SIGA. Ooh, 1049, 1050, 1051. Are you filled? You're filled. There we go. 1060. Take your profit, Sniper Trades. Take your profit. Good trade, Sniper Trades. Good trade, Sniper Trades.
Click Grainger.com or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Good trade, Sniper Trades. Oh my
They
gosh.
say being a parent is a full-time job, but I already have one of those.
Am I getting
Luckily,
FOMO right
I
here?
use Instacart to help me order everything I need while I'm stuck in meetings all day. So while Instacart is helping me get groceries, snacks for school lunches, and something for at-home happy hour, I get more time back to juggle my day job and my mom job. Save time by downloading the Instacart app or visit instacart.com to get $10 off your first order using the code INGREDIENTS10. Offer valid for a limited time. Minimum order $35. Delivery subject to availability. Additional terms apply.
Paso muchas noches pensándote, yo no sé ni cómo ni cuándo fue, pero solo sé que yo
Got it in very small size down here at 10. Oh, I thought I hit 1050. I was looking at 1060, so I filled above 1060. 500 shares only. Let's see if we get this little bounce back up. I don't think we are. Frick my life, man. No! How do you get that big a move and then not follow it through? I might just stop out. Another $106 loss. Gosh dang it. That's when I get profit back, and that's when I stop. Alright, I'm stopping. Either way, $300 a day. I'm fine with that. $350 a day. Okay, whatever. Just made 132 on SIGA. I definitely had FOMO. I chased it up. Oh well, I paid the price. Alright, let's see, let's see. What else did I miss? What did Wild Boy ask? Oh wait, no, he didn't ask that. What did somebody else ask? What is somebody else? Wait, who's Chicago? Chicago, what's your question? No, I answered it. I answered Chicago's question. Right? Good job, Sniper Trades. Perfect trade that 51 all the way up. Wild Boy, what's my favorite pet name? Nickname and bro, it's funny how so many people have that as their passwords, right? 951, gosh dang it, guys. I gotta get out of here. Sniper Trace is done for the day. 775 profit. Have a good weekend. See you on Monday. Sniper Trades. Good job sniping some trades today again. See you on Monday, man. Good job. Good work today. Damn, bro, your playlist is nice. Appreciate it. Suspect questions. Okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, y'all get to know me, guys. Whatever. It's fine with me. Alright, guys. I think I'm going to call it there. Actually, I don't think I am. I have to go into my last day of work. I have such a bad attitude. I don't want to go. And Darth Trader, no, I can't call in, man. I can't. I just can't do it. That's just not who I am. That's not my personality. They need me there today. I'm going to show up and just gladly say and wave at them and never see him again. Just kidding. I'll probably see him again. But yeah, I knew you were about to say that. I knew you were already. The second I said I got to head out, you said it's 9:50. I knew you were already typing it. You said, bro, call in. I think you sound sick. I think you're sneezing. I think you're coughing, bro. You got the COVID, man. I knew you were saying that. Jess Bronson took 2 trades today between IMMX and IMAC for a loss of $5 between. I think you were down 13 earlier, so good job. Good job on that. Coming back. TiVo, looks like TiVo played SIGA pretty good. When you get a minute, thoughts on SKH? For next few days for swing, I think it moves inverse of market, looking like a nice. Are you still? Just Bronson said happy. Bring flowers and cake. I'll go out like a boss. Thanks again. Have a wonderful weekend, Debbie. Thank you too. Appreciate the commentary, Joe. Appreciate you being in here, Blair. Good job today, Darts Trader. Nice, you're funny. What's my job? I work at a vet clinic, and I have with the corporate. I still work on the accounting side as well. If they don't do it for you, do it for yourself. Heck yes, dude. I think I haven't had nothing bun cakes, and it's pretty close to my job, so I want nothing bun cakes. That sounds delicious. Monkeypox. What is monkeypox? I'll be checking your stream out more often. Thank you, Florida, man. Appreciate you being in here. Hope you guys are learning a lot. Hope you guys are taking some of the trades I'm taking, hopefully making some money. If not, maybe I'm skewing you away from bad trades, and hopefully you're saving some money there as well. One more comment before I leave. To become a successful trader, the discipline must also show in your life. So I respect for not calling in, Juan. Hey, thank you, man. Yeah, definitely is a good thing to be a disciplined person in life, and to know that, yeah, I have to go in. I put in my 2 weeks, even though I've self-diagnosed myself with 2-week-itis, and I show up and sit there and don't do much of the work. I still know that I have to show up, but I am actually sick, Dark Trader, with 2-week-itis, so I am sick. But unfortunately, I still have to go in. So, Sniper Trades, very well said, Sniper Trades. Very well said. If you want to be a trader, discipline has got to be one of your top traits. You cannot be chasing every single move, not be disciplined in your trades, all of that. So, appreciate you saying that. Agaska, thanks for coming in here, man. You have a nice weekend. I think I'm going to go fishing this weekend again. I finally have my boat. So, I'm going to go use my boat again. And I'm going to go fish a new lake that's about 20-30 minutes from here. So if you like fishing, Darth Trader, man, I think you're actually making me sick, man. You excited for your last day of work? Yes, I am. There's one person in there that I feel very, very bad for, and I love her. She's an older lady, like 60, almost 70 years old. She used to work. She needs the money. I feel so bad for her. If I was a person with money, she can't hear. She wants hearing aids so bad. Like, I always told myself, if I have a lot of money in my life, which I hope I do, I hope I make millions of dollars, I just want to help people out, man. And she would be the first person I'd go back and say, hey, look, man, I know you're struggling in life. This is towards the end of your life. Like, you know that you need to retire and stuff. Here's your hearing aids. Here is some money for your rent. I feel so bad for her. So hopefully, guys, one day I can make a lot of money and start helping those around me, which is why when I start charging for this, I want to give back to you guys. I know most of you guys don't have $233,000 buying power, right? You could use a little couple $100s, right? And I want to help you guys. So not time. Somebody asked me if I was gonna start streaming free. Stop streaming free. I'm not gonna stop fish. Holy crap! I'm not going to stop streaming free yet. Probably not soon. I'm gonna build up a little bit of my following before I do that. Before I switch out of that. But yes. Eventually my plan is to end up charging for it. So anyways, guys, I gotta head out of here. I'm running late already again. Thank you, Juan. Great job, man. You're awesome with commentary and lesson. Have a great day and weekend. Appreciate it. Swole Granny, I think you took a good trade today. I don't remember if you did. Appreciate good job. Lucky 13, everybody have a good weekend. Appreciate it. Trader Dad, love your stream. Love you being in here. Love you coming in supporting. I've seen you a couple of times for several weeks, actually. I've seen you in here, so appreciate you that. Maven, do I only go long on trades? Yes, I do not short. Wild Boy is itching for me to start shorting trades. Maybe in the future. Right now, I'm sticking to what I know, so yeah. Darts Trader said, damn, the world's a rough place. It's hard because we as humans want to help everyone we can. Love to help people out for sure, but it sucks that we can't help every single person. We need these billionaires to step up and help out. They don't pay taxes, so give the cash to people who need it. Yep, I hear you that. And I was helped a lot during my college and stuff like that, so all I want to do is pay it forward. That's all I want in life, to pay money forward. I do want one nice card. I want one nice card, and that's all I want for myself. But after that, I want to help people. I want to do something nice, you know. I do have a disc. Oh, you asking Dark Trader? Sorry about that. If Dark Trader has a Discord, then he can invite you to Discord. I don't care, guys. I gotta head out of here. See you guys back on Monday. I will be fishing this weekend, so if I catch some fish, I'll show you on Monday. Hopefully, I do. Damn, that is a sad story, bro. What's a sad story? Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, if y'all are in my Discord as well, I know a lot of you guys are very, very active right here on my live stream, but anything else on the Discord, guys, go ahead and comment profits, losses, questions, comments, anything you guys want. So, guys, see you on Monday. I'm going to head out for today, and hope y'all have a good weekend. So, later, guys.